So here I am in same place and for my practice on my Anglify channel I am again here to express my thought. So in this video today is 12 February 2026 and yesterday I just made plan for my next month because I had been practicing this English journey, my English learning journey for 1 month. It was started by 10th of January and I was consistent. I uploaded videos in 1 month, 25 videos, 10 January to 10 February. So yesterday I planned to give some extra time for my practicing because earlier I started I had lots of hesitations. I motivate myself, kept myself motivating to upload and express myself on camera, and I didn't care the mistakes. But yesterday I planned to focus on more persistent on my learning journey, and I plan to give just 2 video in a day, but I failed. I plan to read aloud one story or something, but I couldn't find time. I just plan to write one page like a journal writing. I don't know what is journal writing, but as I understand, in journal writing we write our daily day-to-day life feeling, day-to-day life happening. So I wanted to start yesterday, but unfortunately I couldn't make it because of I had a lot of work on my workstation on my court, and court where I sit, that is a very crowded area, so I do not feel like doing this practice journey. So people keep their attention on me, and they always have curious about me, what I am doing. So whenever I start something, they are started looking at me, so I don't feel okay. So since I am learning the basic things, So there are some uh, hesitation still in myself. That's why I'm thinking like that. So okay, but now I will I will try my best, my level best to do whatever I had planned yesterday. So in this video it was my confession which I didn't do and I had to do, and I should have done. So in this video I am giving my confession. So and now I am talking about what is the learning aspects about aspects I can say here. Yeah, in English, as I feel, we talk about either our past happening or present or future. So this is the basic things we need to improve ourselves. Like in present, we talk about uh, a routine job, a universal truth about, and in a present moment, and the moment we have done already, and uh, and we the present that we talk about, we started earlier but hasn't finished yet. So this way, and if I talk about we past, if I talk about past, so what happened in period of time, and in future when we plan something to doing something in a future. So basically we daily talk about in our conversation either present, past or future. So what I need to, or any learner need to do, just focus on that particular things. So if we master on this, half of the work will be done. So I am trying to, because I am now want to focus my accuracy of language. That's the main important thing, because I don't I just want to express myself. Just want to convey my thought effortlessly, no matter in a simple sentence or simple words, but people can understand easily, and my thoughts uh, should be clear about. That's the uh, very vital part of language, any language. Yeah, I can understand, and I should, or anyone who learn this language should know the more words uh, whenever, if anyone uh, using that fancy words or advanced word, I can say here. So, but if we speak simple sentences, simple words flawlessly, that will be okay, and that sounds natural and confident and good. So uh, my purpose is now to focus myself. uh, Consistency is the key of the learning. Yeah, and I have been consistent since uh, 1 month, and uh, and and I am taking a vow uh, until I find myself to be fluent. I will be consistent. So, but yes, this is the word proficiency. Yeah, proficiency, proficient speaker, and to be become a to become a proficient speaker. So we don't need to go behind the advanced structure or fancy words, fancy sentences. What we need to just focus on convey my thought in a simple sentence, but the correct sentence. So this is the my uh, motive, my plan uh, on it. So I will focus on my this, and I will try to incorporate whatever what I did plan yesterday for my like 2 videos uh, in a day, reading incorporate reading habit out loud, and I want to also incorporate one thing here, shadowing technique, uh, and tongue twister. It is also very useful thing which I want to want to inculcate in my practice. So here it has been it is going to 14 minutes. So here I think I should stop this video of mine, and take your leave here with great and warm wishes to all of you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching up to now. Thank you.